experiment is about noise level and control. For your information, sound is transferred through the medium of solid, liquid, and gas. And hearing is the ability for someone to receive and process sound. The objective of this experiment is to observe the principle of noise pollution control and measure the sound using sound meter.
Okay, for the procedure of the experiment, we have 6 parts of procedure. Firstly, we set up the procedure for the rigid body. Okay, for the rigid body, it's like this, the procedure set up. Okay, however, for the procedure, firstly we need to choose the power. That is, we choose the 12 volt DC, and then control the voltage control from minimum, medium, and maximum. And after that, we take the data by observing the internal microphone, external microphone through this indicator. We also need to observe the decibel meter. So for the second experiment, the procedure is the same. We control the voltage control from minimum, maximum, and medium, and then observe the internal microphone, external microphone, and the decibel meter also. But then we need to change by putting this inertia steel block. Okay. For the third experiment, we also need to change the material, but then the voltage control we need to make it constant at the third fourth of the maximum voltage. Okay. However, the material is, for the third experiment, we choose the absorbent lining. This one. Okay. For the fourth experiment, is the same as the third experiment. However, we change the material into using the DRT box. Okay. This one, the procedure is the same as the third experiment. For the fifth experiment, we use both of these material, the absorbent lining and the DRT box. However, we need to do 2 parts for this. That is, firstly, using the hard part, and then using the soft part. This one soft. The procedure is the same as the fourth and third experiment. For the last one, that is the sixth experiment, we need to use this extra absorbent by putting it here, and also we need to use the soft part and also the hard part. That's all from us for the procedure.
Okay, so hi guys, let us move on to the result and discussion for this experiment. So to compare experiment 1 and also experiment 2, the difference are just that we add in the stainless steel inertia block for experiment 2. And what happened, okay, what we can see is that this stainless steel inertia block actually disturbed the sound wave, and it actually reduced the sound, which means for experiment 2, you can detect less sound compared to experiment 1. And for experiment 3 and also experiment 4, the difference is just that for experiment 3, we are using the absorbent lining, and for experiment 4, we are using GRP box. Okay, from what we can conclude from our experiment, okay, what we can see is that absorbent lining actually absorb more sounds compared to the GRP box, which means absorbent lining can detect less sound compared to the GRP box. And for experiment 5 and also 6, the difference I just said, for experiment 5, we are combining all, which is absorbent lining, GRP box, and also soft and hard cup. Okay, but for experiment 6, we add in the plastic tube, which helps to reduce the sounds more. Okay, so that means for experiment 6, it actually reduces the sound, which means it has lower sounds compared to experiment 5. Thank you.